I'm Goose.
I am Logan.
And we are at Rosa'S Italian restaurant. So we are at Rosa'S Italian restaurant here in Bakersfield. It is on Columbus, right near Mount Vernon. And they've got a lot of different stuffs here for you to dine on. Pizzas, calzones, pastas, there's shrimp, they got seafood, steak, chicken, a lot of different stuff. We're gonna do our best right now to figure out what it is we want to eat. We're just digging into our bread and butter and waiting on our teas, and we'll let you know. All this food is really good. We just got to figure out what it is we want to eat today. So I know this is plain and simple, bread and butter, but this is really good bread.
Yeah.
This is some of the best. In fact, you chowed yours.
Oh yeah.
You chowed yours. I love bread. I love a good piece of bread. This is nice and soft with the butter on it, so we try not to fill ourselves up too much of bread and butter. So. All right, so our food just arrived. What did you get, Logan?
Lobster ravioli.
Lobster ravioli. That looks delicious.
And you got the...
I got the linguine with clams in white sauce. This looks really good. We're going to chow down for just a little bit. And what's interesting is that Logan said, he goes, I've never had lobster before, so I'm going to have it in the ravioli. So, and it's been a while since I had clams, so I figured, hey, let's get, linguine with clams, so this one would be pretty good. So we're going to chow down and be right back with you. So I wanted to give you, everybody see what's the lobster ravioli. That looks really good.
It is good.
It is good. How would you describe it?
I think.
Because you said you've never had lobster before.
No.
And you decided to try it at ravioli.
Tender, I don't know, melt in your mouth.
Yeah, that's a good description.
Yeah.
It looks good. It looks delicious in that white sauce. My linguine with clams. This is really good. I have not had clams in a long time. And the last time I had them, it was in a half shell. So, but to have them with pasta, this is really delicious. Especially with the white sauce. And this has got garlic in it too. It's really, really, really tasty. So we're going to finish this up and we'll get right back to you. And you can see that Logan's got a couple raviolis. How many did you get?
6.
6. That's a good size plate for you to fill you up on. Good?
Oh yeah. It's excellent.
Excellent.
The lobster. Yeah, it's like, I have a hard time describing because but yeah, it's like tender and all tasty and it's perfect. And the sauce is really good. You got the, tomatoes in. I think it was
that means the food's good. So when we get right back with you, we're gonna have dessert.
Oh, this cake, that smells good.
That smells good. What you got? What did you get?
Was it chocolate lava cake?
Chocolate lava cake. He's taking a picture of it.
Take a picture of the food. Looks like that's ice cream on the side.
Yep. Chocolate lava cake. I got the spumoni, which I believe is Italian ice cream. We're gonna find out. And
that's good. Take a little bite of that ice cream.
The ice cream.
That's good.
That's good. Well, I'm gonna get one last shot of your cake as he's diving into it slowly. Well, it is chocolate lava cake.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, so I'm diving into my spumoni, and what I'm thinking is strawberry, mint, and chocolate is actually cherry, pistachio, and I think chocolate. But the cherry and the pistachio, that is like the most prominent flavors in this. This is delicious. I've never had spumoni. If I have, I don't think I'd ever remember until now. But this is really good. This is delicious. And your cake over here, still hot?
It's cooled down a bit.
How is it now?
Colder than it was when I first put it in, that's for sure. Oh, it's delicious.
This is delicious?
There's ice cream or whatever it is on the side. That's also really good. What if it's like, was it gelato? I don't know. Or spumoni? I don't know exactly what it is.
Looks like vanilla bean ice cream.
Here, but it's delicious.
It's delicious? Good. We're going to finish up and we'll get right back to you. But let me give you one last shot of this. Oh, that looks good. Well, that was good.
Oh, yeah.
That was delicious. We
ravioli, chocolate lava cake.
Yeah.
Oh, it's excellent.
we have not been here in a while. This is one of the restaurants that survived the pandemic. We're very happy it's still here. Delicious food. They've got great pizza here. It's just that you and I we
weren't in the mood for pizza
not today, but we were in the mood for pasta, and we were in the mood for seafood.
Yeah.
So it was a good combination. Lobster and clams. It was really good. So, oh my God, delicious food, and the desserts were great.
Oh yeah.
And like I said, we usually here, when we have lunch, usually a late lunch. But so when we got here, it was hopping. It was busy. Mm-hmm. But toward the end, we were able to relax, peace and quiet. And it was nice. It was they are open from Monday through Friday, 11 to 1:30, and as I was looking at here, daily at 4 p.m. till close.
That's for lunch times and then dinner time.
Lunch and dinner time. So, good food. You can find something on the menu for everybody: chicken, steak, pasta, pizza. Everything is good here. Come on down to Rosa'S Italian Restaurant and get something to eat. It is really good. With that being said, if there's anything else you want to find from us, where would they go?
You can find us over on SoundCloud, Spotify, and iHeartRadio app. Robert Goose Guy, where you can find our 2 podcasts, On With The Show and Wrestling Boys, about entertainment and pro wrestling, respectively. And if you want to contact us for those, you can find us over on Twitter, On With The Show 3 and Wrestling Boys 2, where you can just contact us, tell us what you think of the show, tell us what you want us to talk about, what you want us to review, all that sort of stuff. And we'll probably set up another one for same reason for Travel by Nature. So you can just contact us, tell us places you want us to visit, places you want us to eat, all that sort of stuff.
Yeah, so we're having a great time. Check out our Instagram channel where we'll be putting up some new pictures, some of the places we go, some of the food we've eaten. Oh, good stuff. Travel by Nature _IG is where you'd find us there on Instagram. And if there's anything else for the channel that you'd like to do, where would they go?
You can hit the like button, subscribe, and share to your friends.
Share it to your friends. Let everybody know what's going on with Travel by Nature as we continue to go around and explore new places, and actually go back to some places. I think there's some places we need to return to.
Yeah.
So, with that being said, I'm Goose.
I am Logan.
This is Travel by Nature. Thank you for watching.